Today we're making broccoli cheddar soup because for some reason it's snowing in Georgia. It's been snowing and icing all day. It's not supposed to snow here. First, starting with our broccoli. I am doing it a little different from my original recipe because the roads are full of ice. I have 3 stalks of broccoli. I'm just gonna cut them. And we're gonna chop up the broccoli to the size we want. I like to do a variety, so I have some big ones and then I have some small ones. Also, if TikTok gets banned, I'm on every other platform. Instagram is just Tina Younger, link in my bio. I'm on Substack, that's where I post most of my written recipes. Putting all this in a bowl. So I like to roast my broccoli, I like that roasty taste. Hit your broccoli with some oil, give it a toss. Gonna hit it with some salt and pepper. We're just gonna add a little pinch of nutmeg, just a little bit. Adds that oomph to it, don't question me. Toss this again. We have a sheet tray with some parchment paper. Gonna put the broccoli on that, make sure it's even. We're gonna put it in the oven at 375 until it looks roasted. I'll give you the time when I find out. Next, a couple carrots, or if you want more carrots or less. I'm gonna shred my carrots today. Sometimes I cut them, sometimes I shred them. Today I'm feeling shredding. Just take a cheese grater and just grate it. You get little shredded carrots. Put those in here. We're gonna dice up half an onion and half a shallot. Same bowl as the carrots. Also going in the bowl with everything else. Next, I'm gonna mince up 2 cloves of garlic. Usually I roast a whole garlic bulb and then squeeze it in there. This is literally all I have left. Give it a mince. Garlic goes in a different bowl because we put it in later. I have people ask me why. If we put it in with everything else, it's just gonna burn because the surface area is a lot smaller than everything else. Next, some bacon. You could totally skip this step. I just want bacon fat in it. I have about 4 slabs of bacon here. I'm just gonna dice this up and make little bacon bits. In a pot on medium heat, add your bacon. If you're not adding bacon, just skip this whole part. We're cooking the bacon until it's nice and crispy and all that fat has been rendered out. The bacon, it's all nice and crisp and there's a lot of fat. So we're gonna remove the bacon, keep the grease. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of butter in there. Once it's melted, we're gonna add our carrot, shallot, and onion. Toss that around. We're gonna add the garlic once the onions are translucent. Onions are translucent, so we're gonna add the garlic. Add some salt and pepper. Let the garlic cook until it gets a nice golden color. So once the garlic's all cooked, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of flour. So we're gonna mix this up. We're gonna let it cook for about 2 minutes to get that flour taste out. Switching over to a whisk, we're gonna add 1½ cups of milk. Mix. We're gonna whisk too to get all those clumps of flour out. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of heavy cream. Whisk and then also let it cook for like another 2 more minutes. So now that it's all nice and thick, 2 cups of chicken stock. We're gonna let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding more. Gonna add 2 more cups of chicken stock, along with the roasted broccoli. That took about 20 minutes to roast. Seasonings. Add a little bit more salt and pepper if you want. Some garlic powder, just because 2 cloves of garlic doesn't do it for me. A little bit of ground thyme, and we already know what's next, smoked paprika. I'm gonna mix this up.